Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to go over fake strip eyelashes, and I'm going to tell you how you can get 50 lashes for $15. Yes, 50 lashes for 15 doll hair. If you want to know more, click the link below and it'll take you straight to there. Hopefully there's still some left. However, don't click the link until you watch the video. Okay, so I have on no makeup. Shield your eyes. Let's just get into it because I know you want to see, because I wanted to see when I was told in this Facebook group. So anyway, here are the lashes. Yes, it just says false eyelash. And I have not opened these yet. I got them in the mail and I was like super excited. So I'm opening them. So it looks like you get natural to medium to full. And also included in the box are a set of tweezers. Alright, so how I take these lashes off is I hold it upside down. I use the tweezers and I just peel it up like so. Now it is trial and error. Sometimes you do them perfectly, sometimes you don't. So just in case you mess up, you have a lot to choose from, and it was only $15. So the glue I use is this duo glue right here. You can get it out of Walmart, you can get it at Sephora, you can get it really out of any beauty supply store. They come and they sell them relatively next to any eyelash extension. Next, you want to take the eyelashes and you want to measure them against your own eyelash. So sometimes the lash will be longer, sometimes they'll be shorter. You just want to make sure that your eyelashes don't come all the way on the side of your face because it will itch and it'll irritate your eyeball. Just from eyeballing the length, it's pretty much the length of my eye. So we're going to leave it as is. So just quickly on the back of the box, it says how to wear the false eyelashes. So we want to make sure we're following the directions of the lash. Carefully remove the eyelashes from the case with tweezers. Did that. Compare false eyelashes with your eyelid. Trim suitable length. Did that. Add glue along the false eyelash root with cotton bud. And hold the eyelashes against the root of your natural lashes with pressure. If necessary, apply shadow or eyeliner to make the eyeline look more natural. If eyelash glue gets in your eye, take the eyelashes off and wash your eyeballs out. So, quick story. The reason why I'm so good at strip eyelashes is that I got my eyelashes done by a professional. Went to the, if you call them that. I went to the nail salon, got my eyelashes done. It was my first time. She did them. They looked great. They were luscious. Yes, girl. Yes, yes, yes. And then I went to go get them taken out and she just ripped them off my face. Pause for gasps. Right. So she ripped them off my face and I had two eyelashes, y'all. Don't laugh. I had two eyelashes, one on each side, and I was crying because I was like, oh my God. I was rubbing my eye and that one fell off. I had one eyelash. One. So I was like so upset. She was like, oh my God, this and that. It's never happened before. La la la. I let her redo them just because I didn't want to walk around looking like Frankenstein. And at the time, strip eyelashes looked so intimidating that I felt like I was going to poke my eyeball out. But little did I know, I would have done them all the time. I use the duo glue like I showed you, and I use the cotton tip because sometimes, or I'll put it on my hand, but actually I'll show you that. So I'll put it on my hand like so, and then I will take the tweezers and I will pick up said lash with the tweezers. It doesn't have to be like any type of way specifically. Then I'll take the cotton tip because if I put it straight on the lash, it squeezes out and then I have like a buttload of glue. And I look like a crazy person. Alright, so I just take the glue, dab it on my hand, and then rub it across the band of the lash. Also, I don't wear eyeliner when I wear fake eyelashes. Sometimes, like if I'm going for a natural look. Alright, so I put it on there. And then they're supposed to wait 30 seconds while it dries. I help it a little bit. Okay, I feel like it's dry enough. Hopefully. So then I take my mirror and so you can put on mascara, you can curl your eyelashes. I don't do either of that stuff because I just don't want to. My eyelashes curl up a little bit, so it kind of helps me. And normally it's take after like 30-40 seconds, but I blow on it a little bit to help it. You see how it's not settled in the corner? That's what the tweezers are for. I used to think like, look at these fancy bitches with these tweezers, like, but now I know like what they're for. It's to press it down without using your fingers. And I'll take my eyelash curler just to kind of make sure that my lashes and the false lashes connect. They did a pretty good job. Don't look at my eyebrows, y'all. I like that messy kind of natural brow sometimes. But yeah, that is it. And to finish this look, I take a little bit of this Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife, and I just put a little bit of shine in my inner corner. And what do you do with the rest of the glue that's on your hand? You roll it up and throw it away. Alrighty guys, so that is it. That is how I do just a quick touch up on my face if I want to throw on some lashes, just to beef up my own lashes and step out of the door. Again, these lashes were 15 doll hairs. Here they are. You get some glam, you get some natural, and then you get just kind of the doubled up natural. I think that it's a really good deal, so it's a yes from me. It is a hell yes. And I will be reordering these for the price and what you get in the box, which is again the box, the 50 lashes and the tweezers. I think that is a steal. So thank you guys for checking out this quick video. I hope that you have learned something about strip lashes. If not, enjoyed a laugh from my own personal pain and how I came to appreciate the strip lash and do it yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Not only should you subscribe, you should hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you will be kept updated on when I post new videos. And I've been posting a lot lately. Can I just get an applause? I've been posting content. Maybe I need to slow down so y'all think I have like something better to do in my life, because you know, I don't. So anyway, I'll pause for the cause. This is me following your mouse. Okay, you hit the subscribe button. Yay, new subscriber. Anyway, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.